What if I tell you that now you can use an AI coding assistant as powerful as Claude Code completely for free? In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys step-by-step process on how you can use NVIDIA NIM and OpenCode completely for free and make it as powerful as Claude Code. So if you want to learn, make sure to watch the complete video and let's get into it. So guys, that is the link. I'm going to add this link in the description. You need to go to build.nvidia.com and we will use OpenCode. So let's first sign up in build.nvidia.com. I'm going to click on this login here, and from here, I'm going to add in my email ID and then click on next. Perfect. I'm going to add in my password. Okay guys, once you sign up, it's gonna send you the 6-digit code. I'm going to go to my email and copy and paste the code. Okay, you can see that we have this verification code. I'm simply gonna copy and paste this verification code and then click on continue. Okay, now here we will add our account name. I'm gonna simply name it WebSense Pro. Click on create NVIDIA cloud account, and here now we will be able to access our API key. But first, we will need to verify our account. So click on verify, and here I'm gonna add in my number to verify this account. So guys, after verification, you can see now I can generate the API key. If I click on API key, I can generate the API key with this expiration date. Now, the next step is to download the OpenCode and use the NVIDIA API key to access all of these models which we have available. So GLM 5.2, which is the latest model, giving the head-to-head competition to Opus 4.8. Opus 4.8 is from Anthropic. GLM 5.2 is an open source free model to use for anyone. You can download on your laptop locally if you want to use it, or you can alternatively use it from NVIDIA NIM, and they are giving free endpoint. So it's awesome. So let's download the OpenCode now. I'm gonna download it for Mac OS. So I'm gonna click on download. Okay, it's downloaded. I'm gonna open it up and install it on my Mac. Let's drag and drop to applications. Perfect, we have our OpenCode installed. So let's open it up. Guys, before proceeding further, I would like to request you guys to subscribe this channel, which will help me and my team create more valuable content for you guys. We are creating a lot of latest AI tools in this channel, so your support is highly appreciated. Now let's get back to the tutorial. Okay guys, let's open up the OpenCode. Okay, here we have settings, and here we have the providers. So I'm gonna use the NVIDIA provider and connect it with that. So let's search for the provider. Let's scroll down, click on show more providers, and I'm gonna search for NVIDIA. And here you go. You can see that we have this NVIDIA provider showing up. Click on that. And now we will need to add in our API key, which we can generate from NVIDIA's NIM. So let's go back and generate an API key. Click on generate API key, name it OpenCode. And then I'm gonna set the expiration date to be 1 hour for now for the testing purposes, and then click on generate key. Now here we have our API key. Copy this API key by clicking on this copy to clipboard button. Go back to OpenCode, paste in the API key, and then click continue. Perfect, our NVIDIA models are now available to use. Now if I click on plus sign and open up any of the project, let's say the project which I have is free WordPress MCP. So I have created a free WordPress MCP through you can connect your WordPress website with any coding agent. And if you want to learn how to connect free models with your WordPress website and do SEO, create pages, a lot of that kind of stuff, let me know in the comments below. Okay, now here you can see that we have these models showing up, and these are the NVIDIA's models, and then we can simply click on manage models and search for the free one which we need, and the free models which we need are GLM 5.2. So let's search for that, GLM 5.2. Here you can see that it's already enabled and we can use it using NVIDIA. Hey, how are ya? Can you read my project and tell me what it does? Okay, I got the response. You can see it says free WordPress MCP plugin, static landing page website. So that's the website of the plugin which I created, and that's the repository. So if I open up the free WordPress MCP.com, you can see that's the landing page which I have created for the GitHub repository, and this is hosted on Cloudflare, and you can also host your static web pages in Cloudflare completely for free. Let me know in the comments below if you want to learn that. Anyway, this tutorial is for using free models like GLM 5.2 and all of these models. And about the OpenCode which we are using on this desktop app, you can also use it in the VS Code. So if I open up VS Code, Visual Studio Code, which is a well-known IDE where you can actually code, you can install OpenCode in that as well. So if I open up the terminal, I am going to go to OpenCode website again, and here you can see that I'm going to use this command. You can use all of these commands to install OpenCode in the VS Code terminal, or your command prompt if you're using Windows, or terminal if you're using Mac. I'm using this command because I have Node installed in my laptop, and if you don't have Node installed, please install it. It's very useful. So you just need to go to Node.js, and this is where you will download the Node.js. Once you do that, copy this command. I'm gonna go back to VS Code and then paste this command to install OpenCode in my terminal. So hit enter, and perfect. We have packages added, and I'm simply gonna OpenCode, add this command, hit enter, and this OpenCode is running. And you can see that we have GLM 5.2 NVIDIA running. Hey, how are ya? Let's see how much time it takes, because to read the code it took about 1 minute and 48 seconds. So let's check it out how much time it's gonna take to respond. Hey, how are you? Actually, the 5.2 model is not for the chat, it's basically for the coding. So it's best to use when you're actually coding on your project. And GLM 5.1, or maybe there's another model which you can use if you want to say hi, hello, or something like that. So there are a lot of different models which we have available here. Okay, it took 1 minute 27 seconds to get this basic response. It shouldn't take that much time, and it consumed 7,500 token, 1% use. I don't know why it took too much time, but I think we should be able to switch the model if we add in /models, and you can see we can switch the model and we can pick any other models which we have available. So the Flash models are really fast, so if you use any Flash model, it's going to give you much faster response. So let's see with the Flash v4 to see how it responds, which model you are using. Weird, I'm getting an error here. Let's exit and start the app again. OpenCode. Perfect. Hey, how are you? I think we are not allowed to use DeepSeek v4 Flash, so let's switch to another model. Let's try Kimi K2 2.6. Yep, so that one is working, and that one is responding really fast, 1.4 second. Which model are you using? Okay, Kimi K2 2.6 is working really fast. That's good. So that's it for this video, guys. It took a little longer to switch the model. Anyway, you now know how you can use free models like GLM 5.2, Kimi K2 2.6, or all of these models which are mentioned on NVIDIA NIM completely for free. That's it for this video. Until next video, have a great day.